Hi there and welcome to the 10X Physio channel. I'm Gavin Noble from Gavin Noble Physiotherapy, and here we are going to show you 3 great exercises that we use to help back pain. And I will say it's not acute back pain, but they're great exercises that can help to strengthen your back and prevent back pain. Stay tuned and watch, because remember, this is the channel where we give you all the top tips to help improve your health up to 10 times. Okay, so our first exercise we're going to use is the half crunch. So I'm going to bring my hands just underneath the back of my head, so they're going to support the back of my head as we do the exercise. My knees are bent, feet are flat. Okay, so I start to bring my chin to my chest. I then start to lift my shoulder blades away from the mat and then just lower back down. Okay, so my chin comes to the chest, shoulder blades lift from the mat. We're sliding these lower ribs down towards the pelvis here and then back down. And again, just remember, those hands are just supporting the back of the head. They are not yanking that head forward. It's just that little bit of support. And again, as we work through this exercise, we're going to do 8 to 10 repetitions, and we're going to do that for 3 sets, and that's our little half crunch exercise. Okay, so exercise number 2 is our bird dog. Okay, so as you can see, I'm in this 4-point kneeling position. And again, this exercise is a great core stability exercise. First of all, we just really need to just engage. So just engage these lower abdominal muscles. Then from here, I'm going to lift my right arm and left leg. So we're in opposites here. Bring that back down. Over to the other side. So this time my right leg lifts, left arm lifts, back down. We'll just do one more. And back down. And we want to do 8 of those, and again for 3 sets. So our last exercise is our side plank. So as you can see, I'm on my side here. I'm resting on my forearm. My elbow is underneath my shoulder. My hips here are stacked one over the other. And again, my feet are stacked one on top of each other as well. So this top arm can just rest on top here. All we're doing here is we'll lift that waist up. So we squeeze those glutes together. So we get this nice straight line between the shoulders, hips and knees. Then we can come back down. So we press up again and then back down. We'll do one more. So it's a press up and then back down. And again, you want to do 8 repetitions for 3 sets. So folks, there you have it. Those are 3 great exercises that you can use for back pain, to prevent back pain, or even if you just have a little bit of back pain. We tend not to use them too much when you have really acute back pain. But as always, what I'll say to you is, please consult a specialist therapist or your healthcare specialist, who will be able to provide you with more information for you, and specifically you. If you like what you've seen in today's video, please like the video, add any comments below. Please feel free, ask us questions, we will reply to them. And also, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notifications button. That way you will be informed of all our free information every week when our videos get posted. And again, thank you so much for watching.